First, you want to choose your oil for this treatment. I chose extra virgin olive oil. You then want to heat up some water. I put my water in a microwave for about 2 minutes and set the oil in hot water until it is warmed up. Now you want to section your hair before you begin the hot oil treatment. It's time to apply the oil now, so make sure you put it all over your ends and on your scalp and just all over your hair. Now, don't be scared to apply a lot of oil on your hair, y'all, because I was generous with this oil. I'm using a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair as well as comb the oil through my hair. I'm just twisting the oil treated hair and then I'm going to finish the rest of my hair. There are benefits to hot oil treatments. It can moisturize your ends and prevent split ends, and y'all know we all need that. It increases blood circulation to the scalp. When I tell y'all, this feels amazing on my scalp. Like the oil is just so warm and relaxing on your scalp. It helps dry and brittle hair, which is what I'm dealing with right now, which is basically why I am doing this hot oil treatment. It helps with dandruff and dry scalp. Oh, that's the worst. And overall, it helps strengthen and nourish your hair, which will make it look shinier. And you know, we all just want shiny, healthy looking hair. A lot of people wonder, do they do hot oil treatments before or after they wash their hair? I've read after you wash your hair is best, and I personally think most things will work best on a clean surface, but I've seen other YouTubers do hot oil treatments before washing their hair, so I decided to do it before.